Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I previously did a new beauty room tour, but I wasn't really kind of set up quite yet. So I'm just gonna show you what I have now. So let's jump right into it. I'll step back. So this is what you see. At my mirror, I still need to get my stylist chair. Up here, a couple little boxes, some Huda palettes, some other things. This has all my bobby pins in it. I got my Creepy Girl, some palettes, my beauty blenders, some lipsticks. These drawers are all the same, powders and whatever. I didn't change any of these drawers, so if you want a more in-depth view of my drawers, have a look at my previous beauty room tour. I'll just show you quickly. Stuff I haven't used. Lipsticks under here. That's samples. Hair tools. More hair stuff. All my brushes. Foundations, setting sprays, concealers. Up here I have a few various items. He is my newest addition. I love him. And then here I have my jewelry and glasses, my wedding photos. Face creams, more glasses, and then on this stand I just have a couple of various things, and he hangs out with me while I do my makeup. Anyways guys, that's what I have going on so far. If you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. Leave me comments, let me know what you guys think so far of my beauty room. Anyways guys, till next time, have a great day.